Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this mini album that has an accordion spine that expands, and I'll show you that in just a moment. This is made up of parts of the Echo Park Meow collection and the Echo Park Bark collection. I did make some pockets. These pockets are made with a half-inch gusset, so it's 2/4 inches folded over, and I put some photo mat or journaling tags in here, and I added some of the cut aparts and some of the stickers and things throughout. I really enjoyed using these two paper collections together. They are by the same artist. They of course have similar artwork, and they have complementary colorways, so it was really kind of fun to put together, and I have them kind of mixed throughout, and so they're not in any certain order. I did also put some of the little sentiments from the paper strips and some of the stickers, and a couple of these are tuck spots. These little wiener dogs come from a different paper pack. It's not one of the Echo Park ones, but I really love this guy. And let's see here, we have of course places for photos or ephemera, more tags, and more pockets. You are perfect. Some of the stickers were really cute. I didn't really want to use them, but and then I got the other matching sticker here. I didn't actually realize that I put them so close together, but I really like them both. You are a lucky dog. Here I just used some of the strips and stacked them up to decorate the pocket. I really wanted to make 2 albums out of these paper packs, so I did use some complimentary plain cardstock and decorated that with some stickers and things, just so I would get a lot of use and extend the packs a little bit. There's a little tuck spot here for a photo or a tag or ephemera if you wanted to put that there, and another tuck spot here. I really like this fishbone paper is actually from a different collection altogether as well. I obviously have a lot of cat and dog paper. And this is the last page. Now, like I said, here's the back. This front is pretty busy. I need to learn to just use plain backgrounds for the cover of my mini albums, but I threw some stickers on here, and they're pretty cute, so I like the way it turned out. I really love this argyle paper here, and like I said, this book expands, so I just have a simple twine in my accordion binding. So my accordion binding has holes through the middle, and here I just sewed through a piece of twine, and this book opens up to be pretty large in case you want to add a whole lot of whatever in here. So each one of these is actually an inch, but I figure you could put 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch in between each of these, and it would still open up. And even though this binding is a little wonky, no matter how large you have it, you can always kind of tie it up a little bit with this little string and keep it together. So you can do that in a knot or in a bow. I had it in a bow earlier, and that is my Echo Park Bark and Meow mini album. Thanks for watching my video. You can find me on Instagram at Mediocre Arts and Crafts, and my website is mediocreartsandcrafts.com. Thank you. Have a good day.